Hi everyone, this is Grija Nagaswamy again. We are in week 5 and this week's overall topic is going to be persistence and engagement. Um, Both of them are very important for you to succeed as students at the college. And as you can see here on the homepage, I have included some information because financial aid and applying to financial aid at the right time sometimes could be an obstacle and may prevent you from persisting. So I just want you to know that you can apply for financial aid starting from Monday, and you can download your FAFSA application and complete it. And you can see there is a link here to the NPR episode that talks about an app that you can download on your phone, which makes it really easy for you to apply for financial aid. Anyway, so this week, as usual, you will have the readings related to being successful and how do you overcome hurdles and obstacles which might come in the way of you persisting or being engaged in your classes. And then you have your usual mindful moment reflection. The one important assignment that you should kind of get started early on is the snapshot presentation. So I'm just going to spend a little bit of time explaining what you need to do. So you can see I have created my own snapshot presentation here, and all that is got you have to do is first kind of go through these questions. So the first part is who or what is your greatest educational influence? It could be a person, it could be something that inspires you. In my case, it was my mom. And then you talk about what you learned from this person's journey with education and how did this person or this thing inspired you and what would you do. Then you're going to spend some time talking about your educational autobiography. That is, what kind of experience you've had so far. Did you go to a public school, private school, or homeschool? And then what has led you to success so far? And some of you have been talking about the challenges you've had, the experiences you've had, and also your fears about starting college. So you're going to talk about that in this part of your snapshot presentation. And then finally, just talk about how are you going to solve or overcome some of these challenges. And, you could use some of the ideas you talked about in your mindfulness exercises. So what you're going to do is make a video. You could do very different ways. There are some software that you can use, which I use, called Screencast-O-Matic, which is free. You could do either audio or video, but it'll be good to do a video. But if you don't want to be seen in front of a camera, you could do voiceover. You could use your cell phone to record yourself. You could use your computer, webcam, whatever means. And then you can upload to the YouTube, and there are some directions on how to do this so that there could be captions so everybody can read it if necessary. And there's a video for that as well. So, and then you can submit the link to your video in the discussion post. So this is basically a discussion assignment where everyone can listen to your snapshot and then engage in a discussion. So that's what you're going to do. Okay. So, and it also helps us to get to know each other as a class. So that is one major assignment coming your way this week. So if you're unsure or how to go about it, talk to me and then we can figure ways out. The other exercise is continuation of your Focus 2. And our counselor, Maureen, has given us a video about it, explaining the worksheet as well. So this assignment requires you to go through her video, and then do the focus 2 and complete this worksheet related to that. So those are your two major assignments. The others are the usual, the discussion, the quiz, and the mindfulness. So yes, things are picking up now. So you need to be on time, on target, which many of you are, but some of you are kind of still straggling there. So, you can do it. So let's hope you will be able to do the snapshot presentation. I'm looking forward to listening to yours. All right, have a great week. And as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to tell me about it.